Hey everyone, thanks so much for joining us for Power Platform for Newbies. So if you're new to joining us, this is a tutorial style video where I'm the newbie learning step by step on how to create a basic Power App. So here we are within Power Apps. This is our second video. So we're going to take this to the next level. So I've got my colleague Andre with me. Andre, how's it going?
Hi, I'm doing great. Thank you.
Oh, good. So basically, last time, Andre, you taught me how to create an expense reimbursement app here that's a cell phone app. So I did exactly what you taught me last time, and I went ahead and created this app. So my first question for you is, I was going to the play button so that I could sample the app and preview it. And whenever I clicked here, it says no item to display for my form. So my first question for you is, how can we solve this?
I know what is happening. Probably I should have mentioned it in the last video. So what happened is when we are going to this new screen, it's a form. So we need to initiate this form. So please go to the screen one. Yep.
Okay.
Click the button, please, so we can edit the code. Yep. So right now it's only navigating to screen two. Let's make it create the form before navigating. So yeah, right click, left click here, right? And please insert new form. It's a command. Yep. New form. And then new form one. Put it inside the parentheses. Form one, which is the name of your form. Okay, close it, please. And now a semicolon to separate the commands. Yes. Awesome. Now let's test it.
All right. And voila, perfect. Okay, awesome. That was stressing me out because I'm like, I followed step by step. So this exactly what I wanted to see.
Awesome.
So I have another question for you. Now that I've created all of this work, how do I save my app?
Ah, good question. If you go to File in the top left, you should have here Save As. So you can name your app, which is the name you chose initially. It's already there. So you just need to click the Save button in the bottom right. Yeah. So when you access make.powerapps again, make.powerapps.com again, you have this app there. And you can share with
Awesome.
whoever you want. So if you click this share button, you'll be able to share with your colleagues.
Awesome. Okay, so that makes me feel much better because I did all this work. I don't want to lose it.
Yeah,
Is
yeah.
this the back button?
Yes, this is the back button. You can lose it.
Okay, so what are we going to learn new today?
Okay, so now we are going to create a new screen to visualize your reimbursement requests. So in the first video, we created the screen 3, but we did not use in the first video because we were planning ahead, and now we're going to use the screen 3. So please let's go there, screen 3. I mean, you don't need to open it yet because we need to insert a button in this screen 1. So let's copy this button there. Just select it, Control C, Control V. Because then you have the same size, the same font, everything. But then we are going to rename it to View My Reimbursements. So in the right, you can do it right there as well. So it's easy. You have multiple ways of changing the text.
Oh, I see over here on the right.
Yeah.
Interesting.
Uh-huh.
Right there under text. Okay.
Yeah.
View
View
my
reimbursements.
reimbursements.
Yeah.
Perfect.
And for this button, we are going to remove the new form action that we have included for the other one, because right now we are not going to insert any new item. So please remove it.
Delete all of this.
Yep. Uh-huh.
Perfect.
And change the screen 2 to screen 3 now.
All right.
Right. So now let's click it. Let's test it. So if you hold Alt and click it.
Oh yeah. Alt click. Perfect.
Yeah. Now we are in screen 3, and we are going to insert here a list of items. So if you insert a gallery, in the right you have this down arrow right next to mixed reality. It's the one.
Oh, here.
Yeah.
Okay.
And gallery.
Yeah.
And let's insert the vertical one. Yeah, this one. Okay, so just position it. How would you would use it? Yep.
Okay.
Leave a room because you need
Yep.
the back arrow, right?
All right.
And now we're going to connect to the data source. So if you click the gallery again, please. Just no, the gallery,
Okay.
the actual
Oh, click the
gallery.
actual gallery.
Yeah.
Sorry.
And then click this expense reimbursement connection because we have connected before. So now you don't need to do it all over again. So right here, you can see all of the items that were inserted in SharePoint. So if you change your tab to the second tab to show everyone who is in the SharePoint, so we can compare the content from the app to the content with SharePoint. So there we can see the three items, and you can see them there. But the issue is you are now seeing items created from everyone. So if you look at the last column, the created by column, you can see that there's an item created by you, and there are two items created by me. So what we're going to do is we're going to filter those registers out from you. So you're only going to see the the items that you have created. So if I use the app, I will only see the items that I have created. Make sense?
Makes sense.
Okay, so let's go back there then. And please click the gallery. First, in fact, let's show our viewers one thing. I think it makes sense. It's going to be easier to understand what we are about to do. So please insert a label. So there's a label in the top ribbon. It's the second button.
Okay.
Yeah. And now just position it in the white space there. So we're going to use a formula. Hmm? So instead of text in the formula bar above that, you can see the text in the formula bar. Yeah, this one. Just get rid of everything, please. Even
Okay.
the quotes. Yeah. And now type user, the first one. Just click the first one. And now close the parenthesis. Dot email. You can
Do I
see,
click on me?
no, you can see that this is a variable. This is
Oh,
an
I see my
information that
email
you can
already
have.
populated down here.
Power Apps
Okay.
automatically has this for you. So depending on who is using the app, it gets the context and know who's using the app. So using this information here, we are going to filter the items back there. Okay. So you can remove the label now. Just click the label again and delete, or right click as you prefer. Yeah, awesome. Now let's click the gallery again. The actual gallery.
Oh, the actual gallery.
Yeah.
Sorry.
We go there when we want to insert a new gallery, but right now we're going to edit this one. So right now
Okay.
you can see that from the code, the formula bar, that's this is the items property. So it's listing all of the items in this SharePoint list, which is called expense reimbursement. So we are going to create a filter for that. So please have this in your Control C, the expense reimbursement, which is the SharePoint list. Have it in your Control C and delete it. And now let's insert filter in the formula bar.
Filter.
Open parenthesis. Expense reimbursement, Control V, or you can select it there. Yep. Now the comma. Yep. And now we are going to set the formula we want to filter. So the column we are looking for is the created by. So please scroll to find the column. It should be in the created by. It's alphabetical. Yeah, this one. And dot email. So it's going to get the email of the person who created the item in SharePoint. And now we're going to compare with the user who is logged in. So equals. Now we use the same formula we used in the label. So user, open and close parentheses. Yep. Dot email. And that's it. So we are going to get all of the items from the SharePoint list, which follows this rule. Like if
Do
the
I close
user,
the parentheses?
Yeah, close the parentheses. There you go.
Oh, wow. Okay,
This
so
is
just
it,
mine.
yeah, this is the item you created. So if you insert a new item, you should see it there. Wanna test
All
it?
right. Let's test it.
Yeah.
So let's go here. Request new reimbursement. Since I went from Orlando to Miami, we'll go from Miami to Orlando.
Awesome.
And we'll put today's date.
Hit OK. You need to hit OK. You did not hit OK.
Oh, sorry, you're right, I didn't. Okay. Have you as my approver. Pretend that I attached my mileage form
Okay.
and submit.
Now let's view my reimbursements.
Oh, wow. Okay,
Yay!
perfect.
Yeah, it worked.
Awesome. That
Oh,
was really easy. Perfect. I feel like I definitely can have a very robust app and be able to see all of my submit my expenses easily, but also see all of my expenses so that it's easily trackable.
yeah, and that was easy, right? I mean, we are evolving our app, but we did not create anything complex. I mean, it's easy to
Yep.
understand what we did. In the next video, we
Absolutely.
can improve this screen here and like allow people to edit the items. Like because for now we are just listing them. So we will
Okay.
enable people to edit the items and even delete them.